All right, guys, so I'm going to take a quick second here to show you how our TDI block-off plates go on the MK6. That's the Golf Jetta Jetta SportWagen. Really simple stuff. You get 3 zip ties, which come with your order. And I'm just going to walk you through like how simple it is to get these things on there. So here we go. This is what should come in your order. You'll have a block-off plate with or without cutouts, and you've got 3 zip ties. First things first, go ahead and grab your zip ties, and you're going to want to make this like a hook bend. So bend it in 2 places to give it almost a hook shape. Gonna end up looking something like this. This will help us feed it through and get it back. All right, so first thing we want to do here is we want to start with the center hole. If you have the front plate mount, that's going to be a little bit more difficult for you. If you don't have it, this is super simple. Insert your zip tie through one side, and you want to start with it over top of the first horizontal slat in the center here. You're going around the vertical piece of the grill, and then pull that through the hole. We'll just go ahead and give it a couple clicks. You can actually let it hang like this while you get the other one set up. So the next two, these 2 outside ones, we're going to be going above the 3rd horizontal rib. So above the 3rd one here. Once again, wrapping around this vertical rib right here. Same thing, we'll get a couple clicks on it here. Back out. So for us front plate people, you just want to take it out, push it a little downward pressure, and it'll go right underneath. We'll pull our centerpiece, doesn't matter which side. Snip off your zip tie. Extra length there. It's tight, not gonna rattle around, not gonna come off, and you'll have warmer temperature in the car sooner. And if you are running, you're not deleted or anything like that, you shouldn't have to worry about intercooler icing issues.